Welcome back to my studio. I'm Bea Grob and I love to inspire you. It is all about art journaling, painting, collage, assemblages, and anything else that sparks my interest. So enjoy! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. As you probably have seen in the thumbnail, I'm gonna do a collage today, and the reason for that, I lately was in a thrift store where I found this book which has some amazing illustrations. Obviously it's a fish book, it's actually a cookbook, but I'm more interested in the images for the fishes, and I think there are illustration by Charlotte Knox 1989. So they are not photographs, they're actually drawings and paintings. So I really like that. So I have already grabbed one of those fishes. But I also have this brochure from Jeweler, and he has really amazing photographs, and I have already pulled out her. Now obviously I need a little bit more than just those two things, and but the way I start in collage is I go with my focal elements, which I sure know I want to use. I do fussy cut them. That doesn't always mean that I'm gonna end up with those, but hey, you have to start somewhere. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fussy cut those pieces, and then I'm gonna go through my other magazines and single pages I have and see what could go together with this idea I have in my head. Now working, I'm gonna work in a mixed media paper from Tollens, which is 16.5 by 11.7 inches or 42 by 29.7 centimeters. It is ring bound, so I can just turn the pages around, and I have always a flat surface to work on. Now I'm gonna change to the table and start fussy cutting, and then I will go through my magazines and see what I can come up for a background for that or additional elements. And there's not a lot of talking, so I'm gonna put up some music for you, and I hope you enjoy. As you have seen, I did switch my very fine tip scissors. Sometimes if I have to go in the really tight spots, I prefer this one actually. And I do cut out all the background in between the figures. It's just the way I like it. And now comes the question, does it fit or not? I think that could look cool. Now I did bring in my cutting mat and a knife because I know already I want to put her behind the fin here, and for that I actually use a knife. It seems easier, and I really like this one from A-Key Tools, which is retractable. I think that's very handy. Anyway, I'm gonna carefully make slits so that I can put her leg behind this fin. Now it's time for a background. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take a picture. So that I remember how I arranged it. I'm also going to mark lightly where I want the pieces. Maybe with this I could go a little bit further down. Yep, something like that. That's gonna go here and this is gonna be here. Yeah. As always, I'm gonna use for those large pieces a spray adhesive, but I always do it outside. I never do it inside because those aerosols are not really healthy. So let's see. I'm gonna put that like that over here and start with this piece. Now for those pieces, I'm actually gonna work with the glue stick. I'm thinking also about this. I think I'm going with this instead of mix and match. I like that better. Okay, I'm gonna go for this. I still have the feeling there is something missing here. So I'm gonna attach this thingy here and then I go look for something else. I'm not quite happy yet. Sometimes I work several days on a collage, but for the sake of the video I would like to finish it. Now I have to write the letters again. Mix and match. Okay, let's move that a little bit over. Like always with collage, I have a whole lot of stuff on my table, no more space to do anything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you soon again. Take care, bye.